Talent without working hard is nothing. Without football, my life is worth nothing. We cannot live being obsessed with what other people think about us. It's impossible to live like that. Not even God managed to please the entire world. I have my flaws too, but I am a professional who doesn't like to miss or lose. I'm aware that, whatever the circumstances, there will always be speculation about me. I am not the humblest person in the world. I admit that. When you lose a person you love so much, surviving the loss is difficult. Every season is a new challenge to me, and I always set out to improve in terms of games, goals, assists. I have 2 Golden Boot awards at home. It would be nice to win another, but I wouldn't mind it if I didn't. Winning, that's the most important to me. It's as simple as that. Winning, that's the most important to me. It's as simple as that. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep, dreams are things which do not let you sleep. While I'm not going to be a hypocrite and say the opposite of what I think, like some others do. Don't let small obstacles be in the way of being victorious. Remember you are stronger than the challenges you face. If you think you're perfect already, then you never will be Cristiano Ronaldo. There is no harm in dreaming of becoming the world's best player. It is all about trying to be the best. I will keep working hard to achieve it, but it is within my capabilities. I want to be remembered as part of the group of the greatest players ever. When you have talent and if you don't work the talent then you are not going to win nothing. To me, being the best means proving it in different countries and championships.